A natural disaster is a disaster caused by a natural phenomenon of an extraordinary nature and resulting in the disruption of normal activities of the population, loss of life, destruction and damage to material assets. Natural disasters include floods, earthquakes, explosions, tsunamis, hurricanes, fires, landslides, and storms. A study conducted by the United Nations University analyzed 10 different natural disasters that occurred in 2020 and 2021. All of these disasters took place in different parts of the globe, and there seemed to be nothing in common between them. But experts have found that they are all interconnected. Research confirms that global warming is related to human activity and has been occurring at an unprecedented rate over the past 2,000 years. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres said that this report is nothing but a wake-up call for all humanity. The document notes that several record-breaking disasters and catastrophes occurred between 2020 and 2021, including the COVID-19 pandemic, frost that caused massive damage to the US state of Texas, wildfires that destroyed nearly 5 million acres of the Amazon rainforest, and 9 severe storms in Vietnam in just 7 weeks.
The report identifies 3 main causes that have contributed the most of the disaster: anthropogenic greenhouse gas emission, inadequate disaster risk management, and underestimation of environmental hazards in decision making. Professor O'Connell believes that not only the problems but also the solutions are interconnected. The new reports show that reducing harmful greenhouse gas emissions can reduce or mitigate many different types of disaster and protect biodiversity and ecosystems as a whole. The number of deaths from natural disaster can be highly variable from year to year. Some years pass with very few deaths before a large disaster event claims many lives. If you look at the average over the past decade, approximately 45,000 people globally died from natural disaster each year. This represents around 0.1% of global deaths.
In the visualizations shown here, we see the annual variability in the number and share of deaths from natural disasters in recent decades. What we see is that in many years the number of deaths can be very low, often less than 10,000 and accounting for as low as 0.01% of total deaths. But we also see the devastating impact of shock events. The 1993-85 famine and drought in Ethiopia, the 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake and tsunami, Cyclone Nargis, which struck Myanmar in 2008, and the 2010 Port-au-Prince earthquake in Haiti. All of these events pushed global disaster deaths over 200,000, more than 0.4% of deaths in these years.